This is the best all-in-one tool set I have been able to find on Amazon after quite a while of searching. So first I'm going to hit you guys with the price, and then I'm going to let you guys know what an amazing value this is, because you can complete 95% of home tasks with this tool set. If you keep it in your car, you could do quite a few repairs with your car, in your car, with this as well. Now, the price, $55, brand Recesto. I mean, it's just an amazing value, and anybody that is an adult should have one of these just for basic maintenance and repairs. It'll save you so much money from general small tasks. So, diving right into it, beautiful set, has a lot of tools, a lot of options, and we'll dive right into each and every tool, explain what the name of the tool is, and most of the people should already know this, but just an amazing value, like I said. We have your hex keys right here. We have your lineman pliers, needle nose pliers, a 3/8 inch ratchet. We have your little bits right here, hex saw. We have longer bits, 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter for these sockets, the smaller sockets. We have wire strippers. We have a 10-foot measuring tape, a box wrench, a hammer. Now, about the hammer, this has a little bit of glue on it, which is kind of a turn off, but like I said, $55, you really can't expect much better value than this. We have electrical tape. We have regular clamps right here for holding things in place, some screws and anchors. We have a leveler. We have your finer screwdrivers right there, Phillips and flathead, regular screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead, a box cutter. We have a channel lock. We have some box wrenches right there as well. I believe some people call them crescent wrenches. And then we have stubbies, and then a beautiful, let me go ahead and get this, a beautiful swappable head little good grip screwdriver right here. I'm not sure about the actual name of this, but it is so useful. And one additional option it has is that you can use the 1/4 inch sockets on it as well. So absolutely amazing value. Obviously this side, if I could pull this out here, well, if I could pull it out it'd be much easier, but on this side, giving me a little bit of trouble, on this side you obviously can use regular bits, throw them on there, swap the bits, be very useful. So also on this side we have a 1/4 inch connector, and then you could use your sockets on that side as well. Put them off, pull them on. Really isn't really tight in there, so I'm not loving that aspect of it. But overall, just the best value tool set. One thing I really love about it is the ratchet seems to be really good quality. So it's not one of those that'll just break apart on you really quickly. We have a release right here, change directions, and as you could hear, the teeth seem like really fine. So you'll get like good range of motion and be in those tight areas and undo a bolt with that. So just an amazing value tool set. I mean, whether you're a maintenance person who does general maintenance on a building, or you're a homeowner, or you're even a renter that doesn't want to wait on the maintenance guy to come in and you just want to knock out little tasks, this is the set for you. I'll leave a link in the description below. You'll get an amazing deal on it. I mean, I'm really satisfied with it. For $55, this will save you hundreds of dollars by not having to call out people, wait on people to just do minor repairs. So helpful. Such a beautiful, amazing value set. Recesto on Amazon. Once again, link is in the description.